everyone! Hello mga kabayan! Ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon ay kung sino-sino ang mga record holders sa Guinness Book of Record 2021. Ang una is si Edward Nino Hernandez. Siya ay isinilang noong May 10, 1986. He is the world's shortest man. Ang height niya ay 72.1 centimeters. Kung feet naman ang pag-uusapan, 2 feet and 4.38 inches. At nakatira siya sa Bogota, Colombia. Ang edad niya as of now is 34 years old. Ang sunod nating pag-uusapan ay si Jyoti Oms. Si Jyoti Oms ay sinilang noong December 16, 1993. Isa siyang Indian actress notable for being the world's shortest living woman according to Guinness World Record. Height niya mga kabayan is 62.8 centimeters kung sa feet naman 2 feet and 0.7 inches. Her restricted height is due to a genetic disorder. Ang next nating pag-uusapan is si Maria Jose Cristerna. Sinilang siya noong 1976, known professionally as the Vampire Woman or as she prefers, the Jaguar Woman. Isa siyang Mexican lawyer, businesswoman, activist, and tattoo artist. She is known for her extensive body modification, which she embarked on as a form of activism against domestic violence. She is recognized by Guinness World Records as the most tattooed woman in the world with 96% of her body covered and is one of the most famous personalities in the world of tattoo art. At kung magtatanong kayo kung ilan yung kanyang body modification, is 49 lang naman. No? Madami, 49 na si Maria Jose Cristerna. Sun Mingming and si Zuyan, they're both from China. At ang kanilang record title ngayon is the tallest married couple. At ang combined heights nila ay 423.47 centimeters. No? Kung sa feet, 13 feet and 10.72 inches. Again, sila ang nakakuha ng the tallest married couple. Ang next nating pag-uusapan ay si Yaterina Lisana. Born siya noong October 15, 1987. And she's a Russian model and former basketball player. She's currently holds world record for the tallest professional model. Kung wala naman siyang sapatos, no, Lucina stands 205.16 centimeters tall. Kung sa feet, 6 feet and 9 inches. In 2014, she ended her professional basketball career and became a professional model and is a founder of the world's tallest models. Ang next nating pag-uusapan ay si Francisco Domingo Joaquim ng Angola. Ang kanyang current title is the widest mouth. Alam niyo ba mga kabayan kung ilang sukat ang kanyang bunganga is 17 centimeters. Kung sa inches naman is 6.69 inches. Yan si Francisco Domingo Joaquim. Next, nating pag-uusapan ay si Paulo Gabriel de Silva Barros and si Yosia Lai Hosheno, both from Brazil. At ang kanilang record title is the shortest married couple. Ang kanilang combined height of 181.41 centimeters. Kung sa inches naman, 71.42 inches. They are, ang tinatawag sa kanila is the shortest married couple. Next nating pag-usapan is si Yana Williams, taga Houston, Texas, USA siya. And has been growing her nails for more than 20 years lang naman. At ang record title niya ngayon is the longest fingernails on a pair of hands. Ang combined height nito is 181.41 centimeters. Kung sa inches is 71.42. Wow na wow. Next natin pag-uusapan ay si Harnam Kaur. Taga UK siya and she was born on November the 29th, 1990 in what she described as a traditional Punjabi family. At the age of 12, Kaur was diagnosed with a polycystic ovary syndrome or PCOS. Ang kanyang occupation is social media influencer, model, motivational speaker. Yan si Harnam Kaur. Next ating pag-uusapan ay si Sultan Hussein. Yeah. And he was born last December 10, 1982. Isa siyang Turkish who holds the Guinness World Record for the tallest living male. Ang height niya is 251 centimeters. Now, kung sa feet naman, 8 feet and 2.82 inches tall. Yan, Sultan Kushane. Next nating pag-uusapan, mga kabayan, is si Frank Faik Hakim. No, taga UK siya, but born in Iraq. Ang record title niya ngayong 2021 is he is the shortest bus driver. Ang kanyang height is 136.2 centimeters. Kung sa feet naman ang pag-uusapan, kabayan, 4 feet and 5.6 inches tall si Frank Faik Hakim. Next nating pag-uusapan, kabayan, is si Julie Felton. Taga UK siya at ang record title niya for this 2021 Guinness Book of Record is the largest fit female. Ang measure neto is 32.9 centimeters, 1 feet and 9 inches sa right foot niya. Sa left foot niya is 32.73 centimeters, no, or 1 foot and 8 inches. 1 feet or 8 inches yung kalaki ng kanyang left foot. Ang next nating pag-uusapan, mga kabayan, ay si Devendra Suthar. Taga-India siya. The man with the 28 fingers lang naman and toes. So ngayon, most fingers and toes on a living person. Si Devendra Suthar is a carpenter with a condition called polydactylism, which means he was born with more fingers or toes than the average person, but with 28 digits. Devendra has more than anyone else in the world. Ang next natin pag-uusapan ay si Hamako Mori, taga Japan, at ang kanyang record title is the oldest video games YouTuber. No? Alam niyo ba ang kung ilan na siya? Ang edad niya is 89 years and 280 days. Wow, galing, magaling. Si Hamako Mari. Ang next nating pag-uusapan ay si Aaron Wheels Fotheringham. Taga USA siya. Ang kanyang record title is the farthest wheelchair ramp jump at ang measure ng kanyang pagtalo is 21.35 meters or 70 feet point 5 inches is the farthest wheelchair ramp jump.